In the previous video, we have shown you how to create product builder, and we show you how to add this help builder on our WooCommerce store. Okay, and in this tutorial, you can see our WooCommerce doesn't have a sidebar and also doesn't have the filter. How to add sidebar and filter on our WooCommerce store. Okay, for example, here we already have a store. Then just click customize. Make sure you have the theme that support for sidebar. Okay, in here we suggest you to using Cadence theme if you don't have choice one. Okay, and after that go to the WooCommerce. After you select customize, choose WooCommerce here and choose product catalog. After that you can scroll down. On the archive layout you can see there is current no zip bar here. If you want to add the zip bar, for example, on the right, you can just select this. Okay. And I think it's better using left zip bar because we'll use the filter here. Okay. We can use this for archive layout. Okay. For example, like this. And you can also choose the single layout. Okay. After we choose the archive layout, just click publish after that. Okay, we can just click this, and this is the single product layout, but we don't need them because the filter is only works on the archive layout. After we add the sidebar, we can back or close this and go to the widget. Okay, just go to your widget on your admin and select your sidebar. For example, we have a sidebar here. Okay, you can see this is the sidebar that currently appear on our shop page. So we need just to delete all of this. Just delete all of this, or you can use this list view to easy delete the item. Okay, the sidebar one is here, and we can add the filter here. Product filter it's by WooCommerce. Okay, and we can click update. You can adjust the text and other items here. Okay, for example, if this too bigger, you can just click this and choose the font size here. Okay, let's preview first. Reload this, and I think it's enough. So you have a filter here, and it's based a category, status, and price. You can adjust like this, for example, and the filter will working fine. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to add sidebar on WooCommerce and also add the filter function. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.